Still discouraged to I-35 and more. If you can avoid the area, please do, especially over the holiday weekend. Heavy traffic causing problems for cleanup crews still working in the area. Emergency responders. If you take I-44 US 81, it's an alternate route. We have accidents southbound I-44 north and northwest 10th Street. Northbound I-44 and southwest 104th Street. Slowdowns near Coral Springs Mall. An accident eastbound Memorial Road, Highland Park Boulevard. And we have accidents westbound northwest 13th Street and Broadway Avenue and northwest 7th Street at Virginia Avenue. From Traffic Central, I'm Connie Carson.
I'm Beth Myers with this tornado update from Clear Channel Radio. An emotional experience today in Homer with Plaza Towers Elementary School Principal Amy Simpson telling reporters how she ran into a bathroom with other teachers and students to take cover from Monday's tornado.
I did not feel the walls moving at first, but you feel things trickling down on you from the ceiling. And then those things become chunks of things. And at that point, in the bathroom, people were quiet. People were screaming. And at that point, I believe that's the only time that I yelled. And I said, in God's name, go away. Go away. I'd said it about 4 times.
When she finally came out of the bathroom, she says the whole school, the whole neighborhood was gone. 7 children were killed. And so far, more than 3,100 people have registered for FEMA assistance as a result of the tornadoes. A preliminary assessment shows an estimated 1,150 homes destroyed. And OG&E says it expects to have power restored by Sunday to those customers in the tornado-damaged areas that are able to accept electric service. I'm Beth Myers for Clear Channel Radio.
KJ 103. This Memorial Weekend, we honor our fallen soldiers. And let's also remember family, friends, and neighbors lost in the recent Moore tornado and the devastating storms in Shawnee and Bethel Acres. We salute the brave teachers, firefighters, first responders, search and rescue teams, doctors, nurses, and everyone who has volunteered or made donations to help put us back on the road to recovery.
We're doing wonders for these people in Moore.
I'm thankful that everybody's out here helping us.
I wanted to thank everybody for coming out and helping.
Our thoughts and prayers are with you. Stand strong, Oklahoma, and find out where you can find help at KJ103FM.com.
Nature's Harvest Bread keeps it simple, baking every delicious bread with whole grains and other great-tasting, wholesome ingredients.
When you give a kid a Happy Meal, they'll be eternally grateful. Of course, for a kid, that's like 10 to 12 minutes. But that's long enough to feel like you made the right choice. Tender, juicy chicken McNuggets, crisp apple slices, kid-sized fries, and milk. So say yes to a McDonald's Happy Meal, and you'll be smiling too.
Right now at McDonald's, get any Happy Meal with kid-sized fries and apple slices for just $2.99. More tasty goodness to love. For limited time, prices and participation may vary.
Hi, Sean. Man, what a glorious summer day. Joe's surprisingly cheery response can be traced to what's in his golf cart cup holder. Try again. These trees are majestic. It's the McCafe line of delicious, rejuvenating beverages. Joe's enjoying the delicious wonder of the new blueberry pomegranate smoothie, made with blueberries and raspberries with a splash of pomegranate juice. And speaking of splash, man, I love golf. There's always something new to love from McCafe. At participating McDonald's.
Our Frontier City Whitewater Bay Double Park Season Pass means unlimited visits, unlimited fun at 2 awesome parks at one low price. Unlimited Whitewater Bay, Oklahoma's premier water park, where this summer there's even more outrageous action as we double dare you with not 1, but 2 all-new outrageous slides, Red Curl and Pipeline Wave. Plus over 30 awesome water adventures and dive and movies, all free with your pass. Unlimited Frontier City theme park. Chill out in the new Waterworks with 198 ways to get wet and beat the heat. Ride monster coasters, thrill rides, fun family rides, plus cool concerts and Fright Fest. Free with your pass. Visit just twice and your pass is paid for. Wow! Come on! Soar on the all-new Rip Curl and Pipeline Wave with your Double Park Season Pass. Buy yours at FrontierCity.com or Metro Buy for Less stores for just $69.99 plus tax. Hurry, offer ends soon. Frontier City and Whitewater Bay now open weekends. One summer over a decade ago, Panera introduced the strawberry poppy seed and chicken salad to feature the season's freshest berry, which inspired us to add fresh, juicy Bread. Live consciously. Eat deliciously. And when you need catering for your next meeting or event, think Panera Catering. A disaster like the recent storm is tough to handle, but there are people to help carry you through. Emergency service workers, friends, neighbors. And Farmers Insurance is here to help share the load. Our mobile help center is set up now for immediate information, assistance, and claims. Visit farmers.com or call 1-800-HELP-POINT for the location. And if you're a Farmers customer, you can also call 1-800-HELP-POINT or your agent for help. Remember, you don't have to carry the weight alone. I'm at a Renaissance fair and I'm looking for a Coke. Wow, these people take this pretty seriously. Is this the concession stand?
'Tis indeed.
I'd like to buy a Coke.
I hearken thee to try the game.
Methinks I'd like to buy a Coke.
You can do better than that.
Okay, swipeth thee my credit card as if it were sliding behind the night sky, and giveth me thy Coca-Cola, for 'tis no longer thine. And if thou havest a penny stop, that would be super. Got more bottles than homies, it's a movie ready for the show.
Santa Fe between Southwest 149th. So stop by Homeland and pick up plenty of refreshing Coca-Cola. Open summer. Open happiness.
Coca-Cola, open happiness.
You know, we've been in this apartment a long time. I think it might be time to buy a house.
What, and leave our upstairs neighbors and their high-intensity workouts? Oh, and little Sparky, the wonder dog next door.
I heard Arvest Bank works with home buyers, even first-timers, and we might be able to get house payments about the same as our rent.
But it wouldn't be the same without Harvey's subwoofers.
Exactly.
Time to rethink where you live. It's a great time to buy a home, and with Arvest, it's never been easier. Visit arvest.com/firsthome. Member FDIC, equal housing lender.
When I switched to Arvest, I was looking for good value and great service. Now, they're helping us buy our first home.
I chose Arvest because they were right where I needed them, when I needed them. And with mobile banking, I can access my accounts anywhere.
Arvest showed us how to save for our future.
Now we're learning how to save for our kids' future.
They helped plan our retirement.
Open from 8 to 8.
They have locations everywhere.
They gave me my business loan.
Arvest Bank. Stop by a branch or visit arvest.com today. Member FDIC, equal housing lender.
Summer flies by.
So our family is all about squeezing as much out of it as possible.
Together.
And there's no better place for family fun than
Redwood Lodge.
Indoor water park resort.
We all love